Procrastination. We've all suffered from it at one point or another in our lives. Some of us have even tried to eliminate it multiple times before. So today, on day 21 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, I'm going to give you 3 simple strategies we can use to stop procrastinating today. Number 1, count down. Every time you find yourself needing to do something, I want you to count down, whether from 5 or 3 or even 10. And when we finish counting down, we're going to envision that we are a rocket ship and we're going to blast off into action. It might sound a little bit silly, but it actually super works and it's really quite fun. Try it. Number 2, bribe yourself. Oh yes, I'm not above bribing myself into doing anything. And it really works. We could totally tell ourselves, if we do this within the next 30 seconds, then we get to do X or we get to have Y. Believe me, it super works. Everybody has an inner child, and I think this one gets to the heart of our inner child, and it causes us to suddenly be so motivated. Not necessarily because we want to do the thing that we've been procrastinating on, but suddenly there's a reward, and that makes it fun. And speaking of fun, tip number 3 is to gamify it. Make it like a little game, and you will see how fast we will stop procrastinating. Whether we use a timer, dance it out, pretend the floor is lava, whatever it is that we have to do to make it a game, and it'll get done, because once again, it is going to be super duper fun. If you have some more tips on how to stop procrastinating, I would love to know about them. Please leave them in the comments down below. And moving forward to our habits, we're going to add for the whole entire day, stop procrastinating. And we're going to keep this habit going strong from now until forever. So this one is not only a keeper, but a total game changer. We're getting so far along in this challenge. Tomorrow is already day 22, and I'm so excited to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.